Hi, I'm Mike Shalappy. I am a motivational speaker. I'm also a wheelchair athlete. But when I'm not doing those things, I actually have something that keeps me grounded, and that's my family, my house, and my yard. I'm going to show you how I would transfer on my ride-on lawnmower here. I pull up next to it, throw my legs out, and it's kind of difficult because you can't get really close to it because of the wheels, but my goal is to get onto that seat, and that seat is all wet right now. So up there. And then I just kind of try to find somewhere where my chair will stay for when I'm done, because my chair needs to be there when I get back.